Biamole nande. Onkoa kombo kasimba. Omorugi osimbarati.
Mwewe klante edile. Biamono.
Mama Achira.
Mama nina Achira.
Pole. And Mheshimiwa Achira and your family.
No Mheshimiwa Achira ne familia ya
Pole sana for losing of your dad. I want to give the condolences from Governor Simbarati. He was to be here, but unfortunately, there is an uncle of him also passed away. And the uncle is the one who brought him up. You know, Governor, you'd be very naughty when he was very young. So when he was in class 2, my mother-in-law decided to take him to Bura. Because the auntie and the uncle passed away, stayed at Bura. Stayed here from class 2 to class 8. We thought the hard life of Bura was to make him to be a soft man. But that hard life made him to be another hardest person. I know Mheshimiwa Achira, you are our family friend. I could not fail to come. Though I was told I should not come. There are people who came to my home at 8 a.m. telling me things are very bad here. So I should not come. But I've come, I found everybody is happy. I want to ask the people here. Don't join the people here who are making noise. Those people who want you to make noise. They have food. Their are working. Their children are in good school. When you get injured, you will lose your life. Is your family to suffer. If there are people who want to fight, if you have a problem with Simbarati, book a day with the chief of staff. Chief of staff, go to Kisii study, invite us as fans. So we see you fighting him alone. If you win the war, if you have Simbarati, I will take you home and take care of me. But don't want to do anything because of other people. Let us don't harm innocent people. That's all I want to say, but now, majority leader, I didn't see him remove everyone. Speaker, can you look for Mheshimiwa Muracha?